Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet women purse designs. Different color designs and ideas you can see. Combination color, same color also in front of you. I hope you like this collection. This is very beautiful and amazing collection for beautiful and creative ladies who loves to wear such type of collection. You know, crochet is always beautiful, trendy, expensive, stylish also. So I suggest you to watch this video till the end for more designs, more ideas about this collection. Dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet women purse designs and others like crochet women dresses, outfit ideas like crochet women long dresses, short dresses, bodycon dresses, full sleeve, half sleeve, sleeveless, off shoulder, one shoulder dresses, crochet women scarf designs, flowering scarf designs, poncho designs, caplet, cap shawl, circular jacket designs, sweater designs, leg warmers, neck warmers, crochet women socks designs, fingerless gloves, long gloves, short gloves, and crochet baby material like crochet baby frock designs, romper designs, crochet baby shoes designs, and jewelry like crochet woman necklace designs, earrings, bracelets, finger rings also, feet jewelry like anklet designs, baby anklet designs, many more things also. You can contact me anytime. Very beautiful crochet material have been prepared for you. So dear friends, try this collection, enjoy this video. Now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection and please remember me in your prayers. Then goodbye.